Over the years, I've given you guys a ton of blind life hacks, but I think this one might be my favorite. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily set up Seeing AI to read subtitles. Hey guys, it's Sam with The Blind Life. Welcome back to the channel where I help you learn how to live your best blind life. First and foremost, a huge thank you to one of my channel members that came up with this trick, or at least was the first one to introduce this trick to our members-only group. And incidentally, if you'd like to join our members-only Zoom call where we meet once a month, you can find a link in the video description down below, or click the join button right next to the subscribe button below the video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button too while you're at it. But one of the members came up with this. Several of our other members have tried it, tested it out, and have talked about how great it works. I've done it a couple of times. I agree, it's pretty cool. So I figured I'd show you guys how to set it up. Essentially what we're talking about is using Seeing AI, the app that's available both for iPhones and Android phones, using the quick reading feature of Seeing AI to read out loud subtitles in movies and TV shows. Now, I know what you're going to say, Sam, audio description will read out subtitles also. Just turn on audio description. And yes, but for some of us, myself included, in some situations, we don't need full-blown audio description. I've been saying this for years, that audio description should have levels, where maybe level 1 is it doesn't describe the scene, but it reads out subtitles. Level 2 is subtitles and some light description. Level 3 is full-blown audio description. But in the meantime, until we have that, this is a really cool trick. And this is essentially how it works. You're going to find some way to set your phone up to point the camera at the screen where the subtitles are going to be shown. Now, there's lots of different ways you can do this. You could get creative. There's a ton of small tabletop tripods on the market. I've reviewed a couple here on my channel in the past. I'll link some of my favorites in the video description down below. And speaking of that, this would be the perfect thing to get on Innosearch.ai. I've been talking about it for months now, trying to get the word out there. It's the world's most accessible e-commerce platform. All the stuff you like to get on Amazon, you can find on Innosearch.ai, sometimes even cheaper, I believe. Free shipping, free returns, all of that. And most importantly, it's accessible. It's an accessible online shopping experience. So check it out, link in the video description. Either way, you want to point the camera at the screen in the general area that subtitles usually are, which most of the time is going to be in the bottom section of the screen. And then it's as simple as turning on Seeing AI, putting it into quick read, and sitting back and enjoying the movie. Open Seeing AI.
Short text. Excuse me. Is anyone there? Are you open or what? Hello? Babe, do we have to stay here?
And a bonus for using the setup is you could connect some Bluetooth headphones, maybe put in one earbud or one AirPod, and then you'll get the subtitles read out loud to you discreetly in your ear, and it won't bother anybody else in the room watching the movie. One tip I can give you when you're setting this up is you want to remove anything from around the area that will have text on it. If you've got decorative signs next to the TV or a stack of DVDs, you're going to want to get rid of those. Also, if your TV has either a logo or a label that will be in view, you're going to want to cover that up with a piece of tape. Because if you don't, Seeing AI is just going to constantly keep reading that word out loud, and it's super annoying. But that is it, guys. I mean, it's literally that easy, and it works surprisingly well. Now, depending on how quickly the subtitles are going, it's going to mess up here and there. Also, if there's a lot of text on the screen, maybe the character walks into a grocery store, Seeing AI is going to read all that stuff out loud too. So it's not perfect.
Been so long, I can't quite remember. Cloner. Jun-ho, stop wasting your time out here. Come back to the Major Crimes Division 444. Wait. Not on the onions Usta.
But like I said, it's actually crazy how well it works. So once again, a huge thank you to my channel member for coming up with this idea. And since this video was inspired by one of my awesome members, let's give a quick shout out to all the members of The Blind Life. If you support the channel by being a member or in any way, a huge thank you to you guys. Without you, a lot of this wouldn't even be possible, so I truly appreciate it. Click the join button down below to learn more about becoming a channel member and join us for our awesome monthly members-only Zoom calls. A lot of the members say it's kind of like a support group, and they love getting together once a month, that sense of community. So, like I said, information down below to learn how to join us. While you're down there, if you have a question for me, leave it in the comments. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to The Blind Life. Turn on notifications because I put out content like this every single Saturday. Thank you guys so much. As always, this is Sam with The Blind Life. I will see you next week.